Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this white line video transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to separate these two, this video into two. Go to stock materials and go to the background. Select the white one and adjust the duration like so. I'm also going to make it a lot bigger. Go to mask. Select the mirror and you're going to create a line like that. You're going to place a keyframe here at the beginning, and at the end you're going to want to grab this line and place it to the right. I'm just adjusting the line here. Okay. Then you're going to right click show keyframe animation and you are going to add in the ease out 3 graph. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.